Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to a website called Down Detector, right? And this website basically oversees the social media apps if they have any outages. So if Gmail face any kind of outage, right, you're gonna be able to see multiple reports, talking about this. So I'm gonna translate it into English so you can understand, right? And you can see right here if there is any outage, right? That includes Gmail or any other app, social media app or email app. So I'm gonna search for Gmail, right? And go and click the Gmail, right? And you're gonna see if there is any report of outage with Gmail. If you don't face that problem, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings, scroll a little bit down, click apps, try to pin down messages, make sure that you turn on the iMessage, right? And sometimes you don't receive the code because you shut down your messages, so it's crucial that you turn on the notification for or turn on the messaging receiving option, right? So you need to receive multiple messages in order to know exactly how to verify your Gmail account, right? Next, what you're gonna do, which is the last option, swipe down to your control center and shut down your iPhone and reopen it again. Just reboot it. That should fix your problem and you're gonna be able to receive your notifications out onwards. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive in any video we upload. Thank you for watching.